Hello students, our today's topic is robot. We are going to make robots from the given cutouts in our book. Now on page number 36, the steps are given. In this class we will learn how to make head and the body of the robot. So you can see the steps on the facing paper to make the robot. For the head, the cutout is given on page number 41, that is cutout H, and on page number 37 cutout A is given for the body of the robot. So first we will see how to make the head. So this is your cutout. You can see over here it is written paste. So you have to just fold it like this and paste it here. See, like this you have to paste it till this line. Take a glue and paste it like this. So this is done. Now here you can see these three small parts. There is a dotted line given on this. You have to just fold it like this and just put a drop of glue on all the three parts and stick it like this inside this. Just stick it slowly so that gently you have to just press it, okay, like this. So your robot's head is ready. Okay, so this is your robot's head. Okay, just we will keep it aside, let it dry. Now we will make the body. Body also you can see different lines over here. First you have to fold that lines. Okay, like this. You have to fold these lines so that it will be easy for you to stick it. Just fold it like this. Okay. Okay. So here, see this lines. This line you have to stick over here like this. Okay, you can see here you can stick it like this. Okay, and this part is your shoulder part, so it will be bit round. Okay, so while you are sticking this you have to be very careful. You have to stick it on this circular portion. Okay, so first we will stick that. See, this is like okay, like this you have to stick it. Okay, now this is stick. We stick it like this, and now this rectangular part we will stick. Okay. We will stick this rectangular part with the glue. Okay, like this. Now same thing we will repeat on the other side. First, okay, we will stick this rectangular part, and we will stick this small part in the circular. Okay, like this. This is your shoulder. Okay, this is done. Now only the down part is left. For the down part, you have to, this two sides there are two rectangulars. First you stick it inside. Okay, like one, and like we make a box, we just stick it inside. See, okay, like this. So just stick this, and now this part is only left. That is also you have to stick inside. Put the glue on this and just stick. It's like this. Okay. So this is how your robot's body and the head is ready. Okay. So we have here, see, we can see the gap is given. So in that gap, we will just put some glue on this this part, and we will stick it inside. But if you cannot stick this inside, you can stick it like this also. That will also okay. Because sometimes if you push it very hard, it will tear. So you don't have to tear it. You just have to stick it like this. So you can stick it on that over it also. See. Okay. So this is how the robot's body and head is ready. We will see how to make the hands and leg and assemble it in our next class. Okay, how to make the hand and leg, and we'll assemble it, and we'll complete our robot in the next class. So do practice, keep it ready, and in next class we will do the rest.